Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. So today's video is a heavily Halloween inspired look. I was really inspired by rawbeautykristie and I will link her video in the description box below, but the reason that I look such a state right now, my eyes are all black and everything like that, is because I literally just finished filming and I forgot to do an intro. So I'm just jumping on it literally seconds after I've washed my face. And I just wanted to let you guys know that this look was inspired by Kristie and obviously Halloween in general. Halloween is one of my favourite times of the year. I absolutely love it and I love seeing everybody's different creative looks. So I just kind of wanted to sit down and play with makeup a little bit, and this is what kind of spilled out. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, obviously give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on either Monday, Wednesday or Friday. Bye. Pretty baby, pretty baby. Afraid won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Yeah.